So how to add Barclays to Apple Pay? So to add Barclays to Apple Pay, if we navigate over to the Barclays app, you'll just want to click on the card option right here. And then once you've done that, you just need to clarify which card you'd like to add to Apple Pay. And then once you've clicked through to the card that you want to add, you can go ahead and press Add to Apple Pay. And then once you've done that, you may be pulled through to Apple Wallet, and you just want to select again, Add Card to Apple Pay. And then once you've done that, you may need to wait a little bit just while it adds the card. And then from there, you'll just be prompted with the terms and conditions. So make sure you give that a read. And if you agree, click Agree. And then once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, you might need to wait a little bit again. And then once you're done waiting, you'll get confirmation that your card has now been added to Apple Pay. And you'll even get the option to add it as a default if you want to. And then once you've done that, your Barclays card will now be in your Apple Wallet, and you can go ahead and start using it for contactless payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for watching.